afternoon, guys. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. Make sure you guys subscribe to my main channel. Almost there. If you guys subscribe, that'd be awesome. And I would do a giveaway, you guys. If you guys want me to do a giveaway, comment down below. I would do a giveaway. So right now, I'm gonna do some shaving before I head out to somewhere. So talk to you guys when I do some shaving.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do. It's Go Dogs for One.
Right now, you guys, I'm taking the wallpaper off, painting, and cleaning up this place a little bit. So that's pretty cool and exciting. Hey guys, it's 820. I just got done at Steve and Laura's place, and it was awesome that we got to do some chores around the house and renovations. We're gonna do some more renovations tomorrow, possibly tomorrow. I have some other jobs that I'm gonna be doing tomorrow, so that is nice and really exciting that we get our jobs around this place. So I'm at my parents' place to watch Ray's race. Dad and me are going to go for a walk, so talk to you guys when we get home. So talk to you guys then. Oh, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. And what do you guys want me to renovate tomorrow? Because I think tomorrow we are going to do some more stuff tomorrow with other people. So that's going to be exciting, which is really relaxing. We are going to do some more renovations tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up, and talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a good day. Goodbye.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Make sure to check out some more videos of mine right over there. And, oh, you didn't hit the like button yet?
How could you?
How dare you? Thanks for watching. Bye!